Hello, very good morning, one and all. I think my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so fine, guys. Very good morning. So this class will be the agenda of this class will be a doubt clearing session, or if you have any doubts with respect to the concepts, we'll go through one by one. So any of you, if you have faced any difficulty with respect to any problem, we can take up few problem and solve it over here. Okay, so I'll just share my screen. Okay, you just confirm me whether my screen is able to present. Are you able to view my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. So as I had uploaded few concepts of videos of module one pertaining to some problems. Okay, we had taken few problems over there. We shall try to recover few things over there. Okay, first is the very concept and the basic things which you have is your Boolean algebra. So as in the recent question paper that is starting from your 18 scheme, there is no question which is related to Boolean algebra. I would not like to say that the questions might not be asked for the examinations, but as per your syllabus in the theory part, you won't be able to get the Boolean algebraic questions. But for the lab part, it is very much important. So we need to learn from lab aspects of you need to know the all the Boolean algebra laws to solve any given problem. If you people have any doubt with respect to Boolean algebra problems, please make a note of it and you can get back to me when we start the experiments such as adders and subtractors in your lab program will be using. So it's a continuous process. Any doubts with regarding your K-map minimization? Second thing, is there any people who are having doubt with respect to K-map? For example, I would like to start with a two variable or a three variable K-map. Anybody is having doubt? Please unmute yourself and you can ask me any doubts if you have, so that we can take up any problem and we can solve.
No, sir. Four way.
Okay, okay. I just wanted to remind you people that when I had put one video with respect to four variable came up, is Sinchana available here? Sinchana is here.
Yes, sir.
Sinchana, I'm not sure whether I forgot the name. I'm not sure whether Sinchana or
Inchara, sir.
Inchara.
Incharasu.
Okay,
Inchera,
okay.
sir.
Inchara, you had a doubt. Could you repeat that problem if you have?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just you can tell me the min term so that I'll plot the K map or here once again.
A bar, B bar, C bar, D.
You can just tell me directly the min terms there.
Okay, 1, sir. 1,
Okay. Summation m of 1, comma
2,
2,
7,
7,
9,
9,
10,
10.
12,
Okay.
14, 15.
14 and 15.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See for this problem, it is a four variable
Sir,
K
even
map.
3, sir. Sorry, even 3 is there, sir.
Pardon?
3.
3. Okay. I'll add 3 here. Okay. So I'll just label the min terms here. it is AB and CD here. I'll take it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. It is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so we have the minterms here. That is, I have I'll be naming 0 1 2 and 3, 4 5 6 and 7. It is 8 9 10 and 11, 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, so here I had taken, I have for what is my minterms, I have 1 2 3 1. Just for a second, I'm taking a little bit time to cope up with this application. Okay, okay, my minterms are 1 2 and 3. I have for 7. Next I have for 9 10 11 12. I have 12 14 and 15. Okay, see guys, for a reminder, just which I had gone through, can anybody just go through with what are the possible, is there any quads over here?
No, sir.
Okay, see, I'll just tell you. See, first we'll check for any octets here. We'll go for any octets. Okay, so octet, I don't have any octet over here. Octet, there is 0 octets. Next, I would like to take any quad here. See, while solving, there is a, when with respect to any making of any pair or quad or an octet, I had in the previous video when I was making use of quad over here, I had actually made a quad out of this one, this,
Yes, sir.
this and this. Okay, which is actually wrong. Okay, we cannot make it. Okay, there are two rules over there. One is folding rule, and another one is rolling rule. So what it means is, you consider this whole board as one sheet of paper. Okay, we can make this paper in two ways. Either we can fold or we can roll. If we fold this paper, your 2 and 0 comes together and 10 and 8 comes together. So we can make it as a quad, provided if there are ones over there. Or if I roll the paper, that is from this end with this particular end. Can anybody just confirm whether what am I writing, is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So if I roll over there, there are two consecutive ones. This is 1 1 and this is second one, and this is third, and there is no one here. So this I cannot make it as this is my first one, this is my second one, this is my third, and this is my fourth. So we'll be getting like this. Here I'm having space that is blank. So here I'm considering 1. So again at the last there are 2 rows which is not being paired. Next I have here, I have one single one. Here I am having one single one. This I am not considering. This situation cannot be considered as a quad here, which I had made a mistake in that particular video, making this as one quad. So you people should not make it as a quad. If there is consecutive ones over here, if this is 1, these are 2 ones, and if I had ones, this is 2 ones. So that is here, if I am having 1, So here if I'm having 1, next here and here, so this I can make it as one quad here. Okay, so this is one thing I just wanted to remember. So in 4 variable came up, I have just resolved the problem and I have uploaded the video. So we can just redraw it once again so that we shall write the answer for this. Okay. Okay, so I have A and B here, C and D here. So I have for 0, 1, 2, I'll be not naming each and blocks here. 0, 1, 2, and 3. 3 is here I'm having, sorry. 2, 3. 7 I'm having. 9, 10, 12. I have 14 and 15. Okay. So can anybody just help me to solve this problem? We have no octets over here. If we go for quads, is there any possible quads which I can make it here? No, I can go with pair. Anybody can just unmute yourself and can you help me out?
2 and 3, sir.
Yes,
1 and 2, 2 and 3.
it is 0, 0, 0, 1. I have 1, 0 and 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. It is 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. I'm having, I'll just name for convention 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so we shall start making pairs. Yes, you can go ahead. Somebody had started.
1, 3.
1 and 3. Okay, this is my first pair. Next,
14 and 15.
14 and
7 and 15.
15. Okay, next,
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Okay, that is my third pair. Okay,
7 and 15.
what is
7 and 15.
7 and 15? Okay, next,
14 and 10.
14 and 10. I have my 14. Okay, 14 and 10. Okay, next,
1 and 9.
1 and 9. This is
14 and 12.
yes,
14 and 12.
14 and
12.
12. Okay. So how many pairs I have got? I'll just rename whatever the pairs which I'm having here. See, I'm having. Let us. Okay. So this is my first pair, pair 1, pair 2, second pair. I have my third pair. Here I have fourth pair. Next I have this one 14 and 12 as my fifth pair. Next I have sixth pair. Okay, so totally I have got about 6 pairs. Is there any reduced answer which I can consider over here?
Sir, 2, 3, 7, 15,
Okay,
14, 10,
I'll just okay. The possible is 2, 3, okay,
7, 15,
7,
7,
15,
15,
14, 10,
14 and 10,
1, 9,
1, 9,
12, 14.
12, 14. So what is the number of pairs, total number of pairs which you have got? I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we had got 6 pairs. So while mapping, I hope so you people drawing it again, renaming it again takes a little more time. So my optimal answer is I have got about 5 pairs here. Please remember, see, when you are solving any given k-map, what is my ultimate aim here? My ultimate aim here is to have a reduced number of variables. As a given small expression, any big expression must be reduced with least number of variables. So my optimal answer could be 5. Is anybody has got any 4 pairs or any other possible answers? You can just unmute yourself and you can tell me the answers. Less than 5 pairs, I would say. Less than 5 pairs, anybody has got? Okay, cool. Okay, so 5 I can keep it as my optimal answer. Uh, is there anybody in this class having doubt regarding this? Because this is the basic foundation which you people must know. Is there any doubts with respect to this particular mapping of this problem? No doubts. Can we go further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, cool. Please take up. We'll go for the next. I have K-map minimization. I have solved both the problems. That is sum of products and product of sum. I have told what is the basic difference between sum of product and product of sum. Is there any doubts with respect to SOP and POS K-map plotting? Okay, fine.
yes, sir.
Next, see, going through Quinn-McCluskey's method, I have solved 2 problems over there. One is considering for 3 variable and the basic problem. Another, I have taken an examination problem and I have solved QM method. Is there any doubts with respect to Quinn-McCluskey's method? No? Okay, fine.
No, sir.
Kindly all of you take a sheet of pen and paper with you. Okay. Could you just solve this particular problem? Just take 1 or 2 minutes of time. You can start solving this problem. I may ask anyone to solve with me to help me to solve this particular problem. Okay, so you can start solving this problem. See, simplify. The question is simplify the given Boolean expression. Given Boolean expression using K-map. Using K-map. You can directly plot the K-map and let me know the answer what you have got. Siri M is here. Siri M. Siri, are you
Yes, sir.
yes, can you just help me out to solve this problem? Hello, are you audible, Siri?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just help me out?
Sir, I'm still solving, sir. 2 minutes.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, cool. Atiq Rahman is here. Yes, Atiq, can you just help me out to solve this problem?
Sir, I am also solving, sir.
Okay. You can just directly solve with me. You can just
Okay,
tell
sir.
your answer over here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, you can go ahead, Atiq.
Sir, I am solving that missing values, no, sir, first.
Can you just
The,
brief me out how you will approach this problem, how you shall try to solve this problem, Atiq?
sir, in first A bar B C D is missing, sir.
Just hold for a second. Mahesh sir, ಒಂಚೂರು ಡೋರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, go ahead, Atiq.
Sir, in A bar B C D is missing, sir.
See, the basic, yeah, Ajay, I just wanted to remind you. See, guys, this question is simplify the given using K-map. Okay, directly you need to plot the K-map for the given Boolean expression, and then you need to solve the problem. So this is what my intention is. So for those who people, because we had not encountered this kind of problem, we used to solve first using, we were reducing the given Boolean expression, and then we were plotting. I want you guys to plot the K-map for the given Boolean expression. uh, how do you approach this particular problem? Any suggestion, Atiq, you have?
100.
Sir, I have tried whether it is right or wrong. I don't know, sir.
Okay, okay, please go ahead. May I know who is this?
Inchara, sir.
Inchara. Yes, you can go ahead, Inchara.
So for A bar B C,
Okay, see, observe, guys. She is answering now. We'll take up the first term. This is my first term. I need to plot the min term for A bar B C here. Okay. Yes, you can go ahead.
if we write 1 in 6 and 7, we'll be getting A bar B C.
Sorry, which one?
6 and 7, sir.
6 and 7. If I mark 6 and 7 as 1 and 1, will I get the answer A bar B C? Please observe this, guys. If you have understood this one particular term, it will be easy, very much easy to go further. What is my answer? What she is telling is A bar B C is the answer which I should get if I mark those particular blocks here. So considering 7 and 6, I'll mark 1 and 1 here. So if I consider 1 and 1, so it will be a pair here. So what is my pair? If I consider this as my pair here, okay, just for a second. Okay, we'll do one pair here. Okay, so what is my answer for this pair, guys? So here, if you consider these two columns, my C remains same, your D and D bar gets cancelled. Here in this row, I need to consider this whole row. So in this whole row, the remaining thing is A bar B. So your answer is A bar B C. Have you understood? Just I need some couple of students to unmute yourself and just confirm me whether you have understood this term or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anybody has not understood, please just unmute yourself and you can ask if you have not understood. Have everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, cool. Go ahead, Sinchana. Now we are going with my second term here. Okay.
AD.
Yes, my second term here I'm having my second term
Sir, can I see?
as AD here. Okay, what is my answer for AD, Sinchana?
Quad, sir.
Quad, sir.
It is a quad. Okay, see observe, guys. So as soon as you get two terms, only A and D, it means that it is a quad. If you have got three variables here, it will be a pair. If it is one variable, it will be an octet.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead. What will be the answer for AD?
9, 11, 13, 15.
9, 11.
So 9, 11,
13,
13, 15.
13 and 15. So for those people who are not understanding how to map this, okay, see, I'll just repeat it. We'll see whether we have not got the solution now. Okay, this is one situation. What is the thing that I want to just, what is my final answer? I need AD as my answer, right? So how do you get AD? First you check for A here. I have A here and A here. Am I right? So if I am having A and A, so it cannot be these two rows anyways. That is my first constraint. I need to eliminate whatever the term with respect to which is there with A. That is B and B bar gets cancelled here. So my remaining term is A. So only these two rows I must consider. That is my first constraint. So here, what is my next variable which I'm having? I'm having D. Where I'm having D, I have D here, I'm having D here. So these two terms, so if I cancel C and C bar here, my remaining term will be D. So considering these two rows and these two columns, I'll get an intersection over here. This point, this and this. This row and this column. I hope so everyone is understanding this. Okay. I'll just make it this as one quad here. So answer for this particular quad will be your AD. I'm solving it as much slow as possible, guys. Okay, because if you understand one single problem, I hope so you could solve n number of problems. Okay, for those students who are finding it like I'm solving it very much slowly, please bear with me so that other people who are not understanding just they try to cope up with this particular problem. Okay, anybody apart from Sinchana, okay, anybody just you can just unmute yourself and you can try to tell me the answer for the third term B and D bar.
4, 6, 12, 14.
4,
4,
12,
6, 12, 14.
Okay, just hold on. It is 4,
12,
4, 12,
12,
6,
Okay.
6, 14.
6 and 14. 6 I have already 1. So I'll put 1 for 14. So guys, can I make it as this as 1 quad here? Is there any objection from anybody else? So this will be my quad. My answer will be B D bar. Okay. Next, good. You can just anybody can go with the next thing. C and D bar.
2.
Apart from those students who are answering, anybody else, you can just unmute yourself and you can ask. C and D bar. Should I ask any someone to
10
tell
and
me, help me out to solve this
0
problem?
to 8, 10.
Your name.
Atik, sir.
Pardon?
Atik.
Atik. Yes, tell me, Atik. C D bar.
CD bar, sir.
2
0
and 10.
to
0,
2,
2,
8, 10.
8 and 10. Okay, we'll cross verify this. I have my C, I need C as my constraint so that D and D bar should get cancelled. So D and C D bar. Okay. Here I'm having C gets cancelled here. C and C bar gets cancelled and D bar. Okay, D bar remains. Is this correct, Atik?
Sir, here D bar remains, sir.
C and D bar. Okay, you are telling 0, 2, 8 and 10. Anybody else you would like to interpret with this particular answer?
Sir, is it only for 2, not for 0, 8 and 10?
Sir, other places are filled, sir. 4,
Okay,
12 and 6,
we'll
14 are
consider
filled.
this now. I'll go with Atik answer now. See, observe this. I will make this as, let's consider, I'll take this. Okay. You told that this is, Atik, you are telling me this as 1 quad, right? 0, 2, 8 and 10.
And even 4, 12, 6, 14 are also should come,
Just
but all are
hold for a
filled.
second. You are telling 0, 2 and 10 and 8, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
And even
so if we consider this column, what get cancelled, Atik? Here C and C bar get cancelled. Am I right?
yes, sir.
So your remaining thing is D bar here. So it cannot be answer. I need, okay, D bar you have. Okay. C and C bar get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? I have this particular row
3.
and this row. So the answer A and A bar gets cancelled. I'll be remaining with B bar here. So your answer will be B bar D bar here. I'll not be getting my C and C D bar here. Can just
Yes,
anybody
sir.
else could
3,
help
3,
me
sir.
out to solve this?
3 also, sir.
Okay, let it be very, you people just make it very much clear. See, what is my intention that I need to make? Okay, just hold for a second. Okay, I'll just erase this answer. Okay, you can just anybody else, you can help me to solve this answer. C and
Sir,
D bar.
2,
2
6,
and
14
10.
and 10.
Sir, 2 and 10.
2 and 10. Okay, so I'll make 2 and 10 as 1 so that, so C and D bar here I have the whole term, guys. So this whole term I have here, so that if I make this whole column as 1 quad here, the remaining row, that is these all terms get cancelled and my remaining term is C and D bar. Atik, I hope so you have understood. Is there any doubts?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Have you, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, any doubts? Anybody is having doubts with respect to this particular answer? Fine, cool. We'll go with the next. Next, A and C bar. Can anybody tell?
0189.
A and C bar. We have. This is my
0189.
0189. 0189. Already I have one. So this I will make it as one quad here. Okay. This one and this one here. Is this correct? A and C bar. So
No,
here if you
sir.
consider A and A bar gets cancelled. So it cannot be possible. A and A bar gets cancelled, right?
Sir, 12, 13, 8, 9, sir.
8, 9.
Okay.
12,
Sir,
13, 8, 9, 7.
13 and 14, 10 I got.
We'll just erase with this. Okay. Can somebody help me?
12,
12,
13, 8,
13,
9.
8, 9, sir.
12, 13, 8,
8,
9.
9.
So how? That is these two rows, and these two columns. Okay. That is I have A as common. B and B bar gets cancelled. My remaining term with respect to these two terms. Okay. These two terms is remaining term will be A. Here I have D and D bar gets cancelled. D and D bar gets cancelled. My remaining term will be A C bar. So it will be AC bar. That is my 12, 13 and 8 and 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
So actually, one who was answered first, did you understand? Okay, fine, cool. We can go ahead. This is my fifth term. Okay, A bar, B bar. Answer
0132.
0132. Okay, I'll just put one here. Okay, 0, 1, 3 and 2. This whole term I'll make it as one quad. My answer will be A bar, B bar. See, if you could just go ahead with whatever the ones present here. So after plotting this, your 50% of the problem is solved. Your K-map is ready now. Okay. So you can just go plotting, you can just go ahead with the final answer. Now, if you observe here, where I'm not having ones here, I'm not having ones here in the fifth block. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
Yes, sir.
apart from 5, rest all other blocks I'm having 1. Am I exceeding the time? I must look at the time. You have next class at 12, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Well,
okay. Cool. We'll finish this particular problem. Fine. So apart from 5, we have rest all. I'll take another sheet here. Okay. I'll just go ahead with the things. Meantime, you can just calculate your answer and you can tell me. Apart from this, I have all ones here.
sir, for this, can we take that opt we have last two rows, last two columns?
Definitely. You can tell me. You can just go ahead with the simplified answer. Here I have A, B. Here I have
octets.
C, D. Okay, please go ahead with the answers now.
2 octets.
0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. I hope so. Why I have left this blank? This is actually 0. We haven't got. Okay. So what is my first octet which I can consider over here? I can consider these 4 ones and these 4 ones as one octet. or any the possible minimized solution I need? Can just anybody help me out to find the minimal solution observing this?
Sir,
First you check
octane.
for octets. Any octet?
Octet.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 12,
Please go ahead.
13, 15, 14.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, sir.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This whole block. I have not numbered the block again. What is the answer which you get through this? This 1 and 0 gets cancelled. Here all the term gets cancelled. My remaining term is 1. It means that
A.
it is
A.
yeah. Good. Please go ahead. I need everyone to solve this problem. Okay, please
2,
help
3,
me out to
6,
solve it.
7.
Huh?
2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 15, 11, 10.
Okay, I'll go with may I know your name? Who is telling me the answer?
Atik, sir.
Okay, Aktik. Okay. 2, 3 and
9, 11.
9, 11. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
B bar.
B bar?
D.
D. Okay. Next.
First column and last column, sir.
First column and last column, you are telling me this as or octet. This whole column you are telling me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the answer?
D bar.
B bar or C bar?
D bar.
D bar. Okay. D bar is my answer. I'm left out with one thing here. So I can just go ahead with this pair. What is my answer for this pair?
C.
C. Okay.
A bar,
So,
B, C.
this pair answer. So here I have my 0 and 1 gets cancelled. My remaining thing is C here. Okay. Here I am having AB. Sorry. Here I am having A bar B.
A bar B.
So A bar B C. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just write the finalized answer now. Okay, so my finalized answer will be A bar BC plus B bar D plus C plus D bar. Have any students? I'm not telling this particular answer is correct, wrong, or right. I want a justification. Can we just reduce with respect to still? Can I reduce this expression? I think with respect to
Yes,
mapping,
sir.
is there anybody who has got different answer?
Yes, sir. We can do first. We have to do octet, right, sir? Then we
Yes,
have to
please
go
go
for.
ahead with the answer. Whatever you have got, I'll just cross verify with whatever I have worked out.
Sir, I'll solve because we can't do directly as pair and quad, which we have took, sir. We can make it directly as octet.
Okay,
Sir, we
okay.
can do octet, sir. 3, 2,
Can
7,
you tell
6.
me the answer, finalized answer, what you have got?
Sir, still I'm solving, sir. Like
Please solve it. Please solve it.
So for octet, I considered 12, 13, 14, 15, 8, 9, 11, 10, sir. For that, I got the final answer.
One for a minute. I'll just draw with the K map here. I have got. Okay, please tell me now.
So for the octet, I considered 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, and 11, 10. I got the final answer as A for that octet.
You have got the answer as A. I mean to say you are telling me. One second. This.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, please go ahead. Next.
last two columns, sir. octet.
Please see that there is minimal pairs or minimal octet, whatever the markings pairings or which you are doing, try to avoid multiple pairs, the same ones getting as a quad, the same ones getting as a pair with anybody. Try to reduce the pairing there.
So last two columns octet we can.
Yes, yes, yes. Please, it's good actually. Yes. So this is my second octet which I can go ahead. What is my final answer for this?
C.
Huh?
C, sir.
C,
C.
sir.
C. Okay. So next,
First column quad, sir.
First and last column.
first
First row and
Column
last
quad.
row.
Quad, sir. First column, last.
you are making first column as your quad. Okay. What's the answer for this quad?
Sir, last column.
So we can do first column and last
First column and
column
last
as
column.
Octet. Sir.
Okay, okay. You are telling me, oh, fine, fine. Okay, fine, fine. We can do that. Preferably, we'll go for octet only. Yeah. What is the answer?
D bar, sir.
D bar.
D bar.
B bar. Am I right?
D bar, sir.
D bar, sir.
D bar.
Okay, D bar, D bar. Okay, fine.
Then
Next.
first row and last row, sir. Octet.
First row and last row octet. What is the answer?
B bar.
B bar.
B bar. So my finalized answer, can anybody just tell me my finalized answer?
A plus B bar.
A plus B bar plus C plus D bar.
A plus
B bar.
B bar plus
C
C.
plus D bar.
C plus D bar. How many terms which we A plus C plus B bar plus D bar? Has anybody has in this whole class, has anybody has got still more optimized solution? You can just unmute yourself and you can tell me the answer. If anybody in the class has got still more optimized solution and reduced number of variables with respect to this. Okay, fine, cool, cool. I hope so. This we can stick to this particular answer. This would be my final answer. So those students, I would like to give a quick brief revision of this particular problem. See, this is my problem. Simplify the given Boolean expression using K-map. Fine. So this is my problem. So first, what you will consider each and every variables here. So in this whole expression, consider each term here. You plot the ones for, you'll plot all the min terms for these particular terms first. After plotting ones, you will be separately writing a K-map for this and you shall start grouping. First, you will go for any quads, then you go for any, first you go for any octets here. Okay, in this case, we have got almost how many octets? We have got about 4 octets. So the whole problem itself has been solved with 4 octets. So there is no question of quads or any pairs here. So I hope so you people have understood this problem. I think we are running out of time. Okay, we can just go ahead with next. Can we wind up the meeting? Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll wind up the meeting.
Okay, sir.
If you people have any doubts, please try contacting me. solve all the problems which we have given as an assignment or this thing. Please try to solve all those problems which I have given in your classwork book. I'll be giving you another set of problems with respect to examination problems, which you will be writing in separate book called examination notebook. Okay. Thank you all. We'll end up this meeting.